Hello my dear friends, on this video I will try to show you how to use the Vevor spring compressor, and it's an old man emo spring for a Nissan D40 Navara Frontier. I'm using the middle size of the spring compressor. I don't know how to call these. These are the inserts, it's the middle one, okay? Here you see the biggest one, the small ones, and these are the middle ones. I'm going to use a nut, it's size 22. I don't know what it is for you, my US friends, but here it is a 22. Hexagon nut. It's not a hexagon. It has 12 edges, but it will do the job. Okay. I will use this wrench key. And I'm wearing glasses and hand shoes for protection. Okay, let's see if this cheap Vevor spring compressor will do the job. Okay, it's for a pickup truck and it's a very strong spring. Okay, it's starting to compress the spring. Don't put your fingers between the spring. It's quite impressive for €100, this set, and many people praise it on YouTube. The spring is sitting very well inside the inserts. I don't know how far should I go, but it's working very well. I don't have the shock compressors here now, the shocks, but this looks really nice to me. Looks like it's doing the job very well. Okay, I think it's enough. And now I will start decompression. Working like this on the ground, I think it's the best way to do the job. Yeah. I hope you can see it well. But this is for €100. It's really nice, and you can do it. You can change your springs at home in your garage. You don't have to go to the extra shop. You can change your shock absorbers by yourself. You don't need another person. Yeah, it's still tight. It's really easy. Okay, spring is free now. It passed my test, and yeah, that's all for now, my friends. I can recommend this set. See you soon, my friends. Bye bye.